press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
हेलो गाइस, तो मेरा नाम है प्रकाश और आप देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल प्रकाश। तो हम आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि आप कैसे अपना इंस्टाग्राम ग्रो कर सकते हैं और अच्छे से अच्छा आपका जो भी एंगेजमेंट है या फिर आप बोल दो कि अच्छा से अच्छे लेवल पे आप इंस्टाग्राम पे आप चल सकते हैं और पहुंच सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए आप पूरी वीडियो देख लें। आज मैं आपको ऐसी 4 टिप्स बताऊंगा जिससे आपका जो इंस्टाग्राम है वो एकदम ग्रो लेवल पे हो जाएगा। तो चलिए वीडियो की तरफ, आप देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल प्रकाश, चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. Chills, a nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let
होगी और अच्छी तरह से, और आपको नहीं समझ आए तो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम का ये जो यूजर नेम है, आप मुझे वहाँ पे आप मेरे से मिल सकते हैं, आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं कि आपको क्या नहीं समझ आया, और मुझे मेरे ख्याल से आपको वीडियो समझ आ ही गई होगी गाइस। और मेरा ये यूट्यूब चैनल है, आप मुझे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए, आपका मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट चाहिए और आपका प्यार दिखाना इस पहली वीडियो पे, ठीक है गाइस।
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.